Get ready to upgrade your driving experience with the latest innovations in automotive technology. From enhancing safety to boosting convenience and comfort, these 15 must-have car gadgets for you are designed to transform your vehicle into a smarter, more enjoyable ride. Undercarriage Cleaner Ramp. The Undercarriage Cleaner Ramp is a groundbreaking product priced at $1,068. Utilizing patented technology, this innovative ramp stands at only 197 millimeters in height. It is designed to extend the lifespan of your vehicles and fleets, enhancing their safety during service and maintenance. Constructed entirely of stainless steel, the ramp can be quickly assembled with basic tools in just minutes. It can be either anchored or used as a mobile unit. The ramp seamlessly adapts to pressure washer pump systems ranging from 22 liters per minute to 76 liters per minute and is compatible with both hot and cold water systems as well as chemicals with a pH range of 3 to 12. Car Door Anti-Kick Pad. The Car Door Anti-Kick Pad Crosstrek is a stylish and functional accessory crafted from carbon fiber style leather. It serves as a protective cover for your door sill, guarding against scratches and scuffs caused by shoes. This edge guard also adds a touch of interior decoration, enhancing the look of your vehicle. Easy to install, it provides a durable and attractive solution for maintaining your car's interior. A8 HUD. You don't need a brand new car with extra accessories and equipment to enjoy a head-up display. With a simple installation kit, you can transform any vehicle into one equipped with a head-up display. The A8 HUD reflects vital information such as current speed, fuel levels, engine temperature, and more directly onto the windshield in a non-obtrusive way. This ensures that drivers can keep their eyes on the road at all times. In addition, the A8 HUD alerts drivers to potential malfunctions or check engine lights, helping you stay aware of any issues that may arise. However, it's worth noting that this gadget is not compatible with all vehicles, so be sure to check if your car is compatible before purchasing. Cell Signal Booster. We've all experienced moments without a cell signal, and it's never a pleasant memory. This simple yet useful gadget is essential for anyone who frequently goes camping, fishing, or visits areas with poor signal coverage. It connects to the farthest cell towers and boosts the signal for multiple devices. Compatible with the latest 5G technology, it offers the fastest speeds and best service available for smartphones. With this device, you can be confident that your calls will connect and your messages will be sent promptly. Driving Anti-Sleep Alarm. Keep yourself and your loved ones safe on the road with the anti-sleep device car alarm system. This innovative system uses eye-tracking technology to detect signs of drowsiness and alertness, helping to prevent accidents caused by fatigue. When the driver shows signs of fatigue or distraction, the device sends an alarm signal in real time to alert them, ensuring their safety and that of their vehicle. Priced at just $75, it's a small price to pay for added safety on the road. Invest in your safety today and drive with confidence using the anti-sleep device car alarm system. Auto Center Console Armrest Pillow. Enhance your driving experience with the Auto Center Console Armrest Pillow. This memory foam car armrest cushion offers unparalleled comfort during long drives. It features a cup holder and a phone holder, along with a front storage bag for small items like mobile phones, cards, and more. Priced at just $24.99, it's a small investment for a significant upgrade in comfort. Treat yourself to the ultimate driving accessory and make every journey more enjoyable with the Auto Center Console Armrest Pillow. FORYOU car fans. Transform your car rides with the FORYOU car fan seat cooling fans, a game changer for backseat comfort. These portable fans deliver a cooling breeze that keeps kids and passengers refreshed on hot days. Priced at $29.99, this innovative solution enhances the driving experience and ensures a more enjoyable journey for everyone. Say goodbye to stuffy car rides and hello to cool comfort with the FORYOU car fan seat cooling fans. A must-have for anyone seeking relief from the heat while on the road. Universal Catalytic Converter. Introducing the AutoSaver Universal Catalytic Converter. Featuring a 2-inch inlet and outlet and a heat shield for added protection, this converter is both versatile and essential. Priced affordably at $213, it offers excellent quality and value for your vehicle's emission control needs. Improve your vehicle's performance and environmental impact with the AutoSaver 88 ATCC 0016 Universal Catalytic Converter, ensuring optimal efficiency and compliance with emission standards. CarLock Handbrake. Enhance your peace of mind with the CarLock Handbrake and GearShift lock. This anti-theft device is more than just a lock, it's a guardian angel for your vehicle. Imagine the security you'll feel knowing your car is protected from theft and unauthorized use. With its sturdy design and ease of use, this lock offers unparalleled reassurance. Whether you drive a car, truck, van, or SUV, this device is your trusted companion for keeping your vehicle safe. Priced at $29.99, you can drive with confidence, knowing your vehicle is protected by the CarLock Handbrake and transmission lock. CarlinKit V3 AI Box. Experience a transformative marvel with the CarlinKit V3 AI Box, which seamlessly integrates Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, bringing a new dimension to your driving experience. This adapter doesn't just connect devices, it connects emotions. Imagine the joy of effortlessly streaming music, the peace of mind from navigating with precision, and the convenience of staying in touch with your loved ones. The CarlinKit V3 AI Box is not just a gadget, it's a companion that enhances every journey with its intuitive interface. Priced at $193.99, it ushers in a new era of driving joy where technology meets emotion on the road. Light up your path with the CarlinKit V3 AI Box. LED car sign message board. Elevate your car's personality with the LED car sign message board. This innovative accessory allows you to display custom messages, greetings, or even emojis, adding a personal touch to your vehicle. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily update the display from your smartphone, making it simple to share messages with the world. Whether you're promoting a business, spreading positive vibes, or simply expressing yourself, this LED signboard is a fun and creative way to make a statement on the road. Priced at $30.29, turn your car into a canvas of expression with the LED car sign message board. Endoscope camera with light. Discover the hidden world around you with the endoscope camera with light. Priced at $42.99, this versatile tool allows you to explore tight spaces, inspect vehicles, or even peek inside walls with ease. Thanks to the built-in light, every detail is illuminated, revealing a new perspective of the world. Imagine the excitement of uncovering secrets hidden from view or the satisfaction of diagnosing and solving problems with precision. Easy to use and compatible with smartphones, this endoscope camera opens up a world of possibilities. Embrace curiosity and explore new horizons with the endoscope camera with light. Chemical Guys Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. The Chemical Guys Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon is designed for maximum suds generation, ensuring a safe, scratch-free wash. Its easy adjust foam knob allows you to control foam density according to your needs. The large blowback mechanism shapes air and foam, creating a wide stream of thick, fluffy foam for maximum coverage. Priced at $89.99, the full flow technology offers both a wide fan or concentrated foam stream, making it suitable for vehicles of all sizes and shapes. Car enthusiasts worldwide choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products. Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. Headrest support. The headrest support features a high-quality, thickened, environmentally friendly ABS construction for durability and has passed rigorous US safety inspections. The pillows can be rotated 180 degrees to adjust height and are suitable for both adults and children over 3 years old. They can be lifted when not in use to save space, making them ideal for backless booster seats. Installation is a breeze, requiring no screwdriver, and the support is compatible with most car seats with metal headrest poles and an inside width between 2.75 inches and 8.26 inches. Professional after-sale support ensures satisfaction. FANTTIK Slim V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum. The FANTTIK Slim V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum is a compact yet powerful cleaning device designed to keep your vehicle spotless with ease. Its cordless design provides exceptional maneuverability, allowing users to reach every nook and cranny without the hassle of tangled wires. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the Slim V8 Mate delivers impressive suction power to effectively remove dirt, debris, and pet hair from seats, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas. That's it for this video.